Hi, I'm Rachel Sheldrick from the Workshop Whisperer, and I help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to improve your workshop efficiency and your profits. I received a Facebook message from a shop owner a couple of days ago who is crazy stressed because he can never get all the work out and the workflow is inefficient. So today I'm going to share with you 3 things you need to look at to improve your efficiency, your profitability, and help decrease your stress. So the first number that you need to know is your effective labour rate. So not the labour rate that you're charging out, but the actual amount of money you're receiving from that charge out amount every hour. The second thing that you need to look at is the value of your average repair order. So what is your average sale? And the third thing is your average car count per day. So over a period of time, what's the average amount of cars that you're seeing every day? When we look at those 3 things, you'll be able to see some correlation between the amount of cars, the labour rate that you're actually receiving, and the average repair order. You'll see that the more cars you try and fit in, the less value of your average sale. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love for you to join my free Facebook group Under the Hood, and I'll see you again soon.